everyone, and welcome to the Dazzlers of Division A. On our today's episode, we are inviting our sixth Dazzler who has served as an area director, president, VP Education, and secretary. He has also achieved the Advanced Communicator Gold, Advanced Leader Bronze, and under his leadership, his club has won President Distinguished Club Award multiple times. He is currently the member of two country clubs. First, Rhetorical Toastmasters Club from USA, and second, Transcendence Toastmasters Club Indore. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Bhushan Sarmandal.
Yeah, hi Richa.
What are the changes that you see in Toastmasters compared to the year you started and now?
I have joined Toastmaster in 2014 when I was working with my US company, Rhetorical Toastmaster Bellevue, and that is where I started my Toastmaster journey. So if I see last 6 years, I don't see any major change. Meeting structure remains same, learning remains same, and the kind of enthusiasm I have seen in Toastmaster remains same. There are certain things like when we started, there was competent communication as well as that CL manual, but now we have shifted in the last 1.5 year on pathway. So that is the one major change I see, and definitely during this recent lockdown time, we have to shift on virtual mode, and we are doing it successfully. But in general, the Toastmasters learning practices remain same.
So you mentioned one of your hobbies as visiting new places. Do you think it helps in refreshing your perspective towards things?
Yeah, so that is one of my long-term hobby, and the way I see these memory remain with you for a longer time. So I have visited different part of India as well as other country. So say example Taj Mahal, or if I have visited Niagara Falls, those memory will remain with you for a very long time, and you cherish that time. So that is one more way where you relax, spend time with your family, you forget about the daily routine life challenges. So that is the one way, and it also gives you an opportunity to learn about new culture, new things happening across the world, and something we can learn and bring as a part of our life.
Having served as the area director for Area A4 in 2018 and 19, how was your experience of managing events and leading a team?
To be honest with you, when you are playing roles in a club, you have different type of responsibility. But when I have taken the role of area director last year, I realize it is a important responsibility. Now you are taking care of specific number of clubs. So during my time, there was 5 clubs, and I have to take responsibility of that. So you become more responsible toward club members. You make sure that things are happening. There are certain things in clubs which are challenging in nature. So example, renewal time is a tough time for any club. So you have to, I have learned certain hard lessons over that period, and in the first 6 months, if I miss something, I have corrected myself. So that was very good learning experience. I got very good support from my seniors. So Dipankar Das was division director at that time. He supported a lot. Other than this, the district trio, Ravi Teja, Toastmaster Venkata, Nitish Agrawal, all visited Indore, and they have supported during every conference or the different contests we have conducted. So with the help of their support, we were able to do good things in Indore as well as in Bhopal.
And now it's time for our fun segment. As we are Toastmasters, I have changed the tags to suit our decorum. In this segment, you will be given 3 tags and name of 3 Toastmasters, and you have to assign a tag to each Toastmaster. So the options are Dipankar, Mukta, and Jyotendra.
So for Dipankar, I would like to become judge. In case of Mukta, I would like to pass. And in case of Jyotendra, I would like to play role of mentor.
We see you are a man of multiple talents, being into management, software development, leadership, and medicine. Which field do you think is the best and why?
I have selected all these specialty because of my interest. If I have to evaluate, probably I will say my tenure working with hospitals, especially in the clinical management, was one of the toughest, because whatever you have learned as a manager may not be sometimes useful to come up with solution. You will face new situations, and you have to come out of box solution for this. So that was one of the toughest challenging tenure with me. Other than this, the medicine and my current work, I enjoy it because right now I'm working as a technical lead as well as a kind of team lead working with a software company. So it is helping me to implement my creative ideas, and definitely we are working with doctors. So it help us to learn something from community, and then we come up with certain ideas, and if they work, you feel good. So that is what my understanding about the role I'm doing.
How do you see young leaders, and are there any differences in the working styles?
So over a period, I have seen multiple young talent in Toastmaster community, and I see they are dynamic, have new ideas, they are very creative, techno savvy. So I see a good talent pool, and they are doing very well. So I'm confident. I work with, I will say, most of the members in my club are young, and they are doing very well. So I feel proud about them. They will be doing much better thing in their professional as well as personal life.
So thank you so much, Toastmaster Bhushan. This is all from my side, and the conversation was really intellectual, and I see that you have got a lot of ideas to implement. So I wish you all the best in that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Richa. This is a wonderful initiative taken by you, and my best wishes for your successful journey in Toastmaster as well as in your personal life. Thank you very much.
Until next time, stay safe, stay home, and keep dazzling. This is Richa Tiwari signing off. And as a president, he has won Distinguished Club President Distinguished Club Award multiple times. He is currently